compact and slim design. Beyond your expectations. Facial recognition system, Ubio X Face. Ubio X Face not only provides users with access control function, but also fever screening option through an integrated thermal sensor. After authenticating, access log data and fever records are stored to Ubio Altera server in real time. Ubio X Face detects visitors' face mask. In case visitors are not wearing any masks or wearing them properly, access deny, B, and E device warns visitors to wear mask right. With our latest face recognition algorithm, Ubio X Face provides you with walkthrough function. When users walk through the gates, face detection and authentication is done at a distance up to 3 meters. And with its liveness detection and anti-spoofing function, Ubio X Face prevents unauthorized users from trying to authenticate with a 3D mask photo or a cutout photo. Ubio X Face provides fast, accurate face authentication function under the brightest light up to 25,000 lux. Its easy enrollment method will allow you to enroll users by taking a photo, uploading to the server. In case of unregistered visitors, they can enroll themselves by simply registering mobile phone number. This function will provide you with traceability of non-regular visitors' access. Ubio X Face can be used in various fields, such as medical centers, construction sites, schools, events, and more. Ubio X Face, advanced facial recognition solution with security, convenience, and slim design.